Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Eddie's Speed Garage, and today I want to talk about sun visors. Yeah, these things, GM made them so that they'd only last for a little while, and then they just become these ugly eyesores that don't really do you any favors. Like here, look. Oh, look, I can't see. What's going on here? It's so big, I can't see anything. Oh, wait, I can squeeze all the way down here, and then I can see. I can put it up there like that, and then it doesn't do any good because it's only as deep as the windshield is. So, and then when it's up, it's just this big, ugly, yucky thing. And I guess I could have it rebuilt, maybe. Mirror, doesn't even have light in it. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna delete them because this is a convertible car. And the reason you buy a convertible is because you want to get the sun. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace them with these billet aluminum covers. And we'll show you how to do that real quick. So it's not too hard. First things first, we're just going to take the screws out and replace them. I don't need to show you how to turn a screwdriver, so we'll come back when it's out. All right, so that's what you're left with. And before you go buying these and complaining about you right now that those holes are not all evenly spaced, you have a 66% chance of putting this up there wrong. It only goes up there one way, and it'll only line up one way. So you got to keep clocking it until you get it right. And there you go. And wouldn't you know it, I got lucky. I got it up there first try, and I think that looks so much cleaner than all that mess. So, like and subscribe. I'll put a link for these down in the description below. I think they're about 15 bucks. They are aluminum, so you would have to treat them if you wanted to paint them. I'm on the fence about it right now. I may not do it, but it's up to you. Check you out next time.